Hi Kavin, how are you?
I'm good.
So some people think you are good in mathematics. How do you practice maths?
By using our daily practice.info,
What is that? How do you go there?
you go to Chrome and type dailypractice.info without any space.
Okay. So daily practice info is a website, is it? Okay. So what do you do there?
I practice maths.
Okay. Let me check how good you are in mathematics numbers. Okay. What is 21 times 4?
84.
What is 21 times 21?
441.
What is 19 times 16?
304.
What is 21 times 22?
462.
Wow. 23 times 23?
529.
What is 3 cube?
27.
4 cube?
64.
5 cube?
5 cube. 125.
That's nice. What is 17 times 18?
17 times 18 is 306.
Okay. What is the number coming close to the... What is the number which is squared coming close to the 489?
489. 418. 22 square.
What is 22 square?
It's like 22 times 22.
What is the value?
484.
Wow. Okay. Let's do this. What is 36 times 36?
1296.
How did you calculate that fast? How do you do the 36 times 36?
First you do 30 times 40, 1200. Then 6 plus 6 is 12, which is take the ones place, and 3 times 2 is 60. So 1260 plus 36, because 6 times 6 is 86. 6 times 6 is 36. So if you add everything up, it's 1269.
Some trick which even I don't understand, but it looks like you're practicing regularly, so you're able to remember doing too many calculations in a short span of time. That's
three steps.
Just 3 steps, but you have to convert a bigger problem into 3 steps. Jo konjan voice company. You have to convert a problem into 3 different steps, and then you have to calculate each and everything, keep all the answer, and then add everything, right? That's amazing. Okay, can you teach me simply this way? How can I multiply 22 times 22 using the tip you are doing?
484.
Yeah, how to do that?
22 times 20. If you are doing 22, this is what you should do. Example, they ask 23 times 22. You do 23 plus 23, which is 46. You keep a 0 at the back. 460 plus 46 is equal to 506. So yeah, that's the answer for 23 times 22.
Oh, if it is at 23 times 22, you do 20 times 23. It will become 460.
Otherwise, you can do it like this. For what is 23 times 11? 23 times 11 is 253.
Okay.
So 253 plus 253 is
506.
That's the answer.
Thank you for teaching me a tip.
Because the half of 22 is 11, so you just have to add the same number again.
Okay, so I'm asking this way then. What is 19 times 9?
19 times 9 171.
How did you calculate this one?
Because 190 minus 19.
That's easy. Cool. Okay, what is 36 into 34?
36 times 34 is 1224.
How did you do?
Because you change one of the 3 as 4, so 1200, and then 6 times 4 is 24. Because if you add a 6 and 4, it's coming 10. Example, 70 times 8 is coming, it's coming as 0. Unless 0 comes up, yeah, then you do that. And the same number should be at the tens place.
It's okay. Thing is, people may not be able to learn the tips immediately. All they have to do is they have to go and practice every day, right? Okay. So yeah, obviously it's a painful to practice every day, isn't it? Be honest.
Not really.
Is it? You started liking it? Why do you like it?
Because I'm able to do it faster. Like I can do it in 5 minutes.
Okay, if you're able to do it in 5 minutes, what is the benefit you're getting?
I'm getting better and better.
You're getting better and better what?
In maths.
Is it?
First I started cheating.
How did you cheat?
Example, it comes 19 times 19.
Uh-huh.
You did not know that I can take off the number and keep another number.
Oh, you replaced the input itself.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Then I kept the answer kept as correct. Then I told you the truth you found out, and yeah, you cleared it.
So do you cheat nowadays?
No.
No, you can't, is it? Okay. So
I can, but I don't want to.
nice. That's a good boy. Don't do that. So how many other kids are practicing there? Just give some rough number.
Like 45 of them are doing.
That's nice. So why we are all practicing maths? Why maths?
Because if you learn maths, you'll learn like everything.
Is it? Oh, so maths is there in everything? Can you give me some example? Where is maths?
Because maths also is the human body, everything.
Oh, human body is a maths.
Yeah, how will you know how to stitch this a blanket?
Okay. Is there a maths in the stitching?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Thanks a lot, Kavin. Keep practicing it. And if any poor kids, any kids they need a help, anyone who has a challenges, please help them. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye.